Hello, music was born thousands of years ago, and Beethoven himself came up with it so that today we can listen to rap. Similarly, another thing was born thousands of years ago called language. That's why today I want to show and talk about performers of this genre in different countries. Get PNL, or Peace and Loves, is a French rap duo consisting of two brothers, Ademo and NOS, whose real names are Tarek and Nabil Andrew. They began their career in 2008 when Tarek released his first mixtape, followed by another mixtape in 2011. The second brother, Ladif, also worked on his own mixtape during this time. The brothers came together in 2015, releasing their EP in the same year. Their first significant work was released in 2016, the album Le Monde Chico, which achieved gold status. The music video for DA reached 10 million views in just a few weeks. In 2019, the brothers released one of their most successful works, Au DD, which currently has over 200 million views.
Je me tire d'ici si je m'écoute, sans corps se mélanger bougnoule. La lune j'aime.
Immer wenn der Gin in mein Glas fließt, sitz ich im Ferrari im Bretter Richtung Paris, ja wir tragen Giorgio Armani.
Samra is a rapper from Berlin. There isn't much information about him, but I was able to find a few facts. His first popularity came in 2016 after collaborating on songs with Alphagun, which were included in his solo album. Previously, his nickname included the numbers 45, but they were removed in 2017. In the spring of 2018, he released the single Rodiamant, which reached the 26th position on the German charts. Sometime later, a joint project with Bushido titled Hades was released, which was able to reach the 8th position on the German charts.
Детка, где твой кавалер? Я врубаю Daft Punk, крутит мне план. Покидаем клуб, в руке сувеньон.
Gleb Golubin, better known in Russia as Pharaoh, began his career in 2012. His first notable work as Pharaoh was the EP Uagit, although it was harshly perceived by the audience because this type of sound was a novelty in Russia at that time. This was followed by the releases of Dollar in 2015, Phosphor in 2016, and Pink Floyd in 2017, which have now become some of the most significant albums in Russia. These are not all of Gleb's works, but I will not go into detail about all of them, since the mentioned ones were pivotal in his career. The most viewed music videos of this artist are Deco, for example, and 5 Minutes Ago, which have a combined total of almost 200 million views. Today, Pharaoh is one of the main figures in the rap scene in Russia, and has remained so for almost 10 years. Okay, that was all the performers from different countries for today. Who did you like the most, and who among them can be featured in a separate video? If you know anyone who should be included in this compilation, be sure to write their names in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to not miss any new videos and give it a thumbs up. Good luck!